In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about creating email marketing automation using ActiveCampaign step by step. If you've ever wondered how to streamline your marketing efforts, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll need to log into ActiveCampaign. Head over to activecampaign.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Click on Automations, and this is where the magic happens. Next, it's time to create a new automation. You'll want to tap Create an Automation and then select Start from Scratch. Hit Continue and you're on your way. At this stage, you'll choose a trigger that kicks off your automation. Triggers can be thought of as the starting line for your sequence of actions. Common triggers include when a contact subscribes to a list, submits a form, has a tag added, or makes a purchase. Depending on your business goals, pick the trigger that best serves your needs. Once you've chosen your trigger, let's dig a bit deeper and set a specific start trigger. For instance, you can decide that when someone subscribes to your email list, it sets your automation into motion. Select Subscribes to a list, choose the appropriate email list, and click Add Start. Now, whenever someone joins that list, your workflow is ready to roll. With the stage set, let's add an email to your automation. Click the plus icon, choose Send an Email, and decide whether to craft a new message or use a tried and true template. With ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor, personalize your emails by inserting images, buttons, and even personalization tags like %first name %, to make your communication more engaging. To keep your emails from feeling too rushed or overwhelming, we recommend adding a wait condition. Click the plus icon again, navigate to Conditions and Workflow, and choose Wait. You might, for example, wait 1 day before delivering the next email. This spacing helps maintain a natural and engaging communication rhythm with your audience. As you build out your automation, consider adding more actions. You're designing a flowchart of sorts. You can send another email, add or remove tags, split test messages, or decide the right moment to end this sequence. You might start with a welcome email, wait a day, send a product intro, wait 2 days, follow up with a testimonial email, and then bring the journey to a close. But before you turn it all on, testing is crucial. ActiveCampaign provides a test option, allowing you to double check your flow. You can ensure every email is reaching its destination flawlessly and that there are no typos or broken links. Finally, when everything is polished and perfect, activate your automation. Toggle the active switch in the top right corner and you're good to go. Now, as contacts meet the trigger conditions, your automated workflow takes the reins. And there you have it. You've set up a streamlined automated email marketing sequence with ActiveCampaign. Happy automating!